Hey fam, Deep Inspiration up here. I've got something pretty exciting to share today. I'm going to be giving away a free Oasis node from PlayAI. So one lucky winner is going to get a free node. And if you want to learn how to enter this raffle, make sure that you stick around because I will explain this later in the video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about PlayAI in their upcoming node sales. So PlayAI is making some serious moves in the AI space currently. And this could be a good opportunity to be able to shape their ecosystem whilst earning passive income at the same time. Now with these nodes starting at $200, it would be a good opportunity to be able to earn some passive income as well whilst contributing to the AI space. Now the good thing about these nodes is that these nodes are going to earn rewards immediately you buy them, so you do not have to wait forever to be able to deploy these nodes. Their infrastructure is ready, which means that when you buy the nodes, you set them up and you can start earning rewards immediately. And there is also a huge bonus here. Users who participate in this node bootstrapping event would benefit from an exclusive airdrop, which is from 3% of their total token supply, which could potentially cover about 30 to 40% of their initial investment right from the start, of course depending on the market evaluation at TGE. And setting up these nodes could be very simple, and when the time comes, as always, I'll be dropping a step-by-step guide to walk you through the whole process so you do not have to worry about the technical stuff. But of course, beyond getting rewards, let's take a step back to try to understand why projects like PlayAI are becoming so important in the world of artificial intelligence. So since the explosion of AI with OpenAI's success, the world has seen all the big tech giants like Meta, Google, Microsoft all deep diving into the AI development. Now AI is everywhere, from recommendation systems to driving self-cars through the medical field, educational field and stuff like that. But here's the catch: these AI models are powered by massive amounts of user data. Now every click, every game played, every interaction we make online all contribute to these systems. But what is the missing piece here? As AI has soared in all these successes, the very users whose data is driving this boom are left out. So I'm pretty sure that I have contributed data to the space, you have contributed data to the space, especially gamers who are online playing all the time are all contributing data to the space, but we never get compensated for our contributions despite the key role that we have played or users have played in AI's advancements. That's where PlayAI comes in. So PlayAI is building a revolutionary Web3 layer which is powered by blockchain to fix this imbalance. So imagine a space where data contributions, be it from gaming, whatever field it's going to be, are transparent, trackable, and most importantly also rewarded. So for instance, in gaming, PlayAI would allow gamers to contribute valuable in-game data which can be used to train AI models. Now these AI systems would basically learn and adapt from player actions, which would make the gaming experience more immersive. By collecting data such as player behaviors, performance, statistics, and interactions, PlayAI improves various game features like smarter non-player characters, more responsive game mechanics, and improved personalized experiences. PlayAI rewards players for contributing their data to their ecosystem, which would create an incentive-driven ecosystem where both players and developers can benefit. Now, developers can use this data to optimize gameplay, enhance AI-driven environments, and ensure a more engaging gaming experience. But PlayAI goes beyond gaming. PlayAI expands into various sectors like investments, robotics, video processing, and real-life applications. So in robotics, for instance, PlayAI helps machines to be able to improve performance through self-learning using real-time data. In video processing, user-generated content is processed to train AI models, improving functions like image recognition and video generation. Additionally, smart cities and autonomous vehicles could also use PlayAI to optimize their resource management, decision-making, and environmental monitoring using real-time data from sensors, traffic systems, and other devices. So the team is quite experienced in the space. With several years of experience, they've been building AI co-pilots and Web3-powered AI agents. Now they do have some huge backers and partners in their ecosystem. So they've partnered with the ATA, EigenLayer, NodeOps, Polygon, and other huge giants in the Web3 space. Now remarkably, they did announce a seed fundraising of $4.3 million invested into their ecosystem, and here they did have some prominent people like Sandeep. If you do not know Sandeep, he's the founder of Polygon. So if you have some noble giants like the Polygon founder investing in the project, it speaks well to the credibility of the project and what the future potential of this project could be. So I did have the opportunity to sit in an AMA with the founder of PlayAI, and he mentioned a few examples of what the potential of these AI agents that they are building could be. So recently, I don't know if you missed it, there's a company that is called Case Text where they basically built an AI agent for the legal sector, and this company was recently acquired for $650 million. And this shows what the potential and power of what the AI agents, for instance, that PlayAI is doing. So the advantage for the AI agents compared to the traditional large language models is that these AI agents are trained for a specific task. And whenever we have AI agents that are specialized in a particular field or in a particular task, these agents are usually more efficient than the broad language models that are trained on anything. So the potential for these AI agents is huge, and I think the space is just beginning to see what the potential here could be. So whenever there is a huge inflow and outflow of data with models being trained, there needs to be a computation layer, and that is where the Oasis nodes come in. So they basically act as a backbone of the network, providing decentralized computing power. Now these nodes take on the heavy lifting like processing, validating, and organizing data to ensure that they are of high quality and ready for AI model training or AI agent deployment. So here, tasks are distributed in chunks to the nodes, allowing them to handle the workload more efficiently across the entire network. And here they work from cleaning and preparing raw data from the start to providing GPU resources for training the AI models. So basically they're essential throughout the entire process. So now that you know a bit about the PlayAI ecosystem, what their nodes are, how their nodes function, let's dive into the node sales structure and how you can participate. So now let's talk about their tokenomics. So they do have a total of 1 billion tokens that are going to power their entire ecosystem. And from this, 20% of these tokens are allocated exclusively for users who are going to be operating their nodes. And this is going to amount to 200 million tokens that are going to be distributed over a period of 3 years. Now, additionally, the team has allocated an additional 3% of the total token supply as an airdrop exclusively to users who will be participating in this node sale. Now this airdrop could substantially contribute to your ROI depending on the market evaluation at TG, and that's why if you want to get in, this will be the best opportunity to do so because you can have your ROI faster. So the team also did provide this rewards calculator that you can also play with. It's also available in their docs to basically give you an idea of how the rewards could look like and how your ROI could look like depending on the number of nodes that are sold, the number of nodes that would be online, and of course the market evaluation at TGE. So for instance, they want to sell 70,000 nodes. So assuming 50% of these nodes are sold, 30,000, I hope more for them so that of course they would be able to power their network. Then it means that your total allocation in terms of this 3% airdrop that I talked about would be 1,000 play tokens. Now this would amount to $100 if the market evaluation is around 100 million at TGE. If the market evaluation is for instance 300 million TGE, then this would amount to of course even way more of about $300, which will be even more than how much you paid for the node. But of course this is a bit subjective. You need to take it with a pinch of salt, play with the market evaluation and see what this could mean like for you. This is not supposed to be taken as a solid calculation for your rewards. It's just supposed to give you an idea of what this could look like depending on what the market evaluation is going to be, and of course depending also on the number of tokens that are going to be sold. For instance, assuming that they sold all the nodes, then it means that your airdrop allocation from this node bootstrapping would be, let's say, $43 at a market evaluation of 100 million. Now for instance, if you want to have a look at how the rewards would be on a yearly scale, on a monthly scale, or on a daily scale, you can also do this here. So when you come to this section here, so assuming that 50% of the nodes are online at a token price of 10 cents, which would be 100 million evaluation, if you purchase your node for let's say $200, then it means that daily you would be getting 50 cents, which would amount to $15 a month and also $190 in a year. Now if you purchase the node for $200, then it means that it will take you approximately 1 year to be able to get your ROI. But if the market evaluation goes up, let's say if the market evaluation goes to let's say 400 million, then it means that yearly you would be getting about $761, which is about 3 times more how much you paid for the node. But of course, like I said, this is supposed to be taken just as a quick evaluation, but not supposed to be taken as the exact amounts that are going to come because no one knows what the market evaluation is going to be at TGE. But I think this provides a very, very solid platform for you to be able to have an idea of how the rewards would be once you start operating these nodes. So I hinted at the beginning that I'm going to be giving away a free node. Now it's very easy to enter this free node raffle. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and post in the comment section what you like about the PlayAI ecosystem and why you would like to get this free node. I'm going to post the winner of this raffle on Saturday, 12 October, 12 p.m. UTC. So make sure that you join my Discord channel and pay close attention to the giveaways channel because that's where I'm going to be posting whoever is going to win this free node. Now whoever is going to win this free node is going to have exactly 24 hours to be able to claim the node. So if you miss this 24-hour window, I'm going to do another raffle and I'm going to pick in the next winner. So So please make sure that stick around in my Discord channel, especially at the time that I'm going to be posting the winner, so that you don't miss this update. Now let's continue the video. Now some key dates. The node sale is going to take place on the 14th of October at 12 p.m. UTC. The node sale on Monday is going to take place exclusively on the NodeOps console. I'm going to provide a link to a detailed guide in the description section to walk you through the entire process. When purchasing the node, there are two options for you. You can either let NodeOps take care of the node operation, or you can deploy the node yourself. If you want to purchase the node and then deploy this yourself, you just have to choose the purchase nodes without deploying option. The NFT would be appended to your wallet and you can do whatever that you want to do with it. But as always, it's always easiest if you made NodeOps take care of the node operation for you, but the choice is yours. So folks, that's it about PlayAI and the upcoming node sale. If you do have any questions, put this in the comment section. And as I said, I'm also going to have a raffle, and good luck to whoever is going to win this raffle. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.